Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Should strawberries be cold before dipping in chocolate? It is very hard because strawberries are made of 90% water. Do not dip when they are very cold. Try to use room temperature strawberries. For an even better result, do not put them in the refrigerator but in a cold place. How do you keep chocolate from falling off strawberries? Follow these tips for no-fail chocolate strawberries. Dip in warm, but not hot melted wafers. This will prevent the strawberries from getting scorched, which will cause them to soften after being dipped. Once dipped, swirl in a circular motion to remove excess. How do you harden chocolate-covered strawberries? Set chocolate at room temperature and store at room temperature. If you are in a warm climate and need to refrigerate your strawberries to set, then allow 15 to 30 minutes to harden in the refrigerator, then remove. Chocolate does not like being cold. How do you wash strawberries before dipping in chocolate? Wash strawberries by dipping them into a mixture of cold water and vinegar, then place on a paper towel. Pay the strawberries dry, and transfer to a dish towel to continue air drying. The trick to good chocolate-covered strawberries is letting them dry completely before dipping, as water and chocolate do not mix. How do you prepare strawberries for dipping in chocolate? Rinse your strawberries in cool water, then pat dry. Make sure they are completely dry before dipping them. If you're not using strawberries from a farmer's market or berry patch, make sure to remove them from the fridge before preparing anything else.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.